everyone, welcome back to Senti Skincare, where we unlock the secrets of natural beauty one glow up at a time. Today we are talking about something you probably already have in your kitchen, the amazing avocado. You know it's healthy for your body, but did you know it's also one of the most powerful natural skincare ingredients out there? In this video, I'll be sharing the importance, benefits, and easy DIY uses of avocado for the skin with clear explanations so you will know exactly how and why it works. Ready? Let's glow. The importance of avocado for the skin. Let's start with why avocado is so important for your skin. Avocado is often called a superfood, and that's not just for your diet. This green fruit is loaded with nutrients that your skin craves for health, healing, and hydration. 1. Rich in healthy fats, monosaturated fatty acids. Avocados contain oleic acid and linoleic acid. These are the good fats that help moisturize the skin and maintains its elasticity. These fats strengthen your skin's natural barrier, preventing moisture loss and protecting against external pollutants. 2. Packed with vitamins A, D, E, and C. Each of these vitamins play a critical role. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and supports skin healing. Vitamin A helps with cell regeneration, making it useful for acne, scarring, and rough skin. Vitamin C supports collagen production, giving you firmer, youthful skin. Vitamin D helps balance skin tone and improve your skin's immunity. 3. Antioxidants and phytochemicals. Avocados are rich in antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, which fights free radicals, those unstable molecules that cause premature aging and skin damage. In other words, avocado is a complete skin food. It moisturizes, protects, and heals all at once. Major skin benefits of avocado. So what exactly can avocado do for your skin when you use it regularly? Let's go through the top 6 scientifically backed benefits of avocado. 1. Deep moisturization. Avocado's healthy fat penetrates deep into the skin layers, providing long-lasting moisture. It's especially beneficial for people with dry, flaky, or mature skin. If your skin feels tight or rough, avocado will soften and hydrate it like magic. 2. Calms inflammation and irritation. Whether it's sunburn, eczema, or just sensitivity, avocado's anti-inflammatory compounds help soothe and calm the skin. It contains natural sterols and linoleic acid that reduces redness and support healing. 3. Slows down premature aging. Thanks to antioxidants like vitamin E, C, and glutathione, avocado helps prevent and reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging. It neutralizes free radicals, boosts collagen, and improves skin texture over time. 4. Supports skin repair and healing. Got acne scars, hyperpigmentation, or sun damage? Avocado promotes cell turnover and tissue repair, fading marks and boosting overall skin renewal. 5. Fights acne without drying out skin. Surprisingly, avocado is also good for acne-prone skin. It contains lauric acid, which has antibacterial properties and doesn't strip your skin like harsh acne treatments. 6. Natural glow enhancer. The fats and vitamins nourish your skin from the inside out, giving you that natural dewy glow without looking greasy. How to use avocado on your skin. Now let's talk about the fun part, how to actually use avocado on your skin. These are easy treatments you can do at home using fresh avocado or avocado oil. 1. Avocado face mask for deep hydration. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, mashed, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon yogurt or olive oil. How to use: mix all ingredients into a smooth paste, apply it to clean skin, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off. This mask hydrates, soothes and brightens your face. Perfect for once or twice a week. 2. Under eye avocado treatment. Take a tiny amount of mashed avocado and gently dab it under your eyes using your ring finger. Leave it on for 10 minutes before wiping off. This helps reduce puffiness and hydrates that delicate skin. 3. Avocado oil moisturizer. If you have avocado oil, apply a few drops to your skin after cleansing. It absorbs beautifully and seals in moisture. You can use it on your face, hands, and even cracked heels. 4. Avocado lip balm hack. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon mashed avocado, half tablespoon shea butter or coconut oil. How to use: blend and apply to dry lips. It works better than most store-bought balms and is 100% natural. 5. Avocado body scrub. Ingredients: half avocado, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. How to use: gently massage onto damp skin in circular motions, then rinse off. This exfoliates and moisturizes at the same time. Safety tips and things to note. Before you try this out, here are a few important tips to keep in mind. Always do a patch test first. Apply a small amount to your wrist or jawline to check for reactions. Avoid if you have a latex or avocado allergy. Avocado contains protein similar to latex. Use fresh ripe avocados. Unripe ones won't be as effective and may irritate. Store any leftover marks in the fridge, but use it within 24 to 48 hours. And there you have it, the complete guide to using avocado for radiant, healthy skin. From moisturizing to healing and glowing, this simple fruit really does it all. If you've tried avocado skincare before, let me know in the comments. What did you love most? And if you are new here, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification so you never miss a skincare tip. See you next time. Bye.